Uh-huh. No, it's no problem. You save your camera basically, so.
It was just a protector, right?
Yeah, not the main glass.
I just couldn't tell because.
Yeah, that one like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
I asked her if she was happy.
Yeah, she's happy.
She wanted to get a whole new phone. I said, oh, no. We don't
Yeah.
need a whole new phone for that.
She thought that was the main glass.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. It was one time my dad's cat.
Uh-huh.
I was walking the hallway, and since he's a black cat, I didn't see him looking by, and he scared the hell out of me, and I dropped my phone. He stopped talking.
No.